The biggest struggle that newer investors have when getting into auction property investing is actually finding good deals. So by the end of today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I found 3 profitable properties using a new auction website that I'm going to reveal to you guys. Let's get into the video. Welcome back to another video. Since you guys absolutely loved our auction.com research where we were finding really cheap properties to buy that were going up for auction through auction.com, I decided we should do the same thing but on a different website. So this is one of my favorites. It's Xome with an X, and we're in North Carolina today looking at a couple of deals that I think you'll be very shocked at how affordably these start, and not to mention the margins that you'll actually find on these deals. So to get started, you'll see here that we have a ton of different properties going up for auction. Now, some of these will have the reserve price listed out. Some of these are going to say cash only, which usually means that you can still get some hard money financing. Some of these are also reported vacant, which we love to see because we hate dealing with an eviction. And of course, no buyer's premium, which is the auctioneer's cut for what they're auctioning off. So usually it's about 5% of your bid price. There are a couple of nuances deal to deal, so we'll kind of talk about those today. But as we can see, there are tons of new properties coming up, all within 85, 45, 135, all the way up to about $200,000. Of course, these are in different markets here in North Carolina, but we're going to do some cross-check and some comp checks as well to see exactly what the margin on some of these deals look like. So this one right here is one that kind of caught my eye. It is a mobile home located in Goldsboro, North Carolina, and the current bid right now is $62,000. However, the reserve price is now sitting at $93,000. Now, this doesn't mean that they won't lower this. By them, I mean the lender that's selling this property, and it also ends in 15 minutes. So if nobody's placing a bid for this, it's going to ultimately be re-auctioned. Now, we can see here couple details on the property. It says vacant. We know the county, lot size. Of course, I would always cross-check all of this information with Zillow and, of course, PropWire and a couple other sites that I use to do my due diligence. Now, as we're looking at this property here, what I want to see is whether or not at this price or at even a lower bid price, we're going to have any margin on this deal to make a profit if we're flipping it. In order to see if this is actually going to be a profitable deal, I like to pull these up on Zillow, and as we can see, lots more information on here, and we can go ahead and see what the comps look like. So we can see some nearby homes here that recently sold, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out on the map here. So we're going to go back to search, and our property is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hard it so we can easily see it. And what I'm going to do is we're going to look at some similarly styled houses. Right now we're looking at a property that is listed at $224, one down here that's listed for $250, and another one that is listed for $159. So again, these are just a couple of comps. We can of course also look at some sold properties, and we can see that some of these mobile homes are selling for roughly $180, $170. We have a couple lower priced ones for $100,000. But ultimately, we want to see if we can get a profit if we were to flip this thing. So again, considering that some of these are $188, $170, and we're looking back at this property here, if we were able to purchase this at a current bid price of $62,500, I would say that this is an excellent deal. And not to mention, something else that I look for as well is the condition of the property, which in this case here, it might need some flooring replacement, but other than that, this property looks pretty much turnkey. Now, really quickly moving into property number 2. Again, this auction ends in 2 hours. This one does not have a reserve price that is listed. However, it does say that it is currently not met at $215, which is the starting bid, meaning that nobody else has placed a bid, or this is going to keep getting re-auctioned until somebody eventually buys it, or the lender actually just decides to lower the reserve price. So again, another beautiful house here. It needs some pressure washing. Inside looks absolutely impeccable. We have beautiful cabinets, appliances, bathroom looks pretty much ready to go. So the property ultimately looks turnkey. Of course, it does need a good cleaning. Beautiful 2-story modular home, etc. This property is currently stated as vacant as well, which we love to see. and this one has no buyer's premium, and it is a second chance foreclosure. So again, it's coming back on the market because nobody bought it the first time, or so to speak, it's going to keep coming back until somebody places a bid that the lender accepts. I hope you guys found this helpful. Of course, if you guys want more information, you can go ahead and join the free Skool community down below, or if you already have some capital saved up and you're looking to get started and actually buy your first property or second property, I've had a couple of students that actually bought their second deal with. I've had a couple of students that actually bought their first deal. Now they're looking to get their second one and they need a little extra help. So if you guys are ready to get started, you can go ahead and book a one-on-one strategy call with me to see if auction investing is a good fit for you. So go ahead and click the link down below to schedule that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.